Hey everyone, it's Daphne from Scrap and Create, and I'm here today to share with you my finished 8.5 by 8.5 mini album featuring Dreamland collection from Graphic 45. I just completed this today. I'm very excited, so I'm going to walk through and share some of the features with you. And if you click in the description, if you go to the description and hit the show more button, there'll be a material list and a cut list. And also all of the tutorials are now available for this album. So I'll start by sharing the cover. So on the cover, I featured Graphic 45 roses, and also a piece of Graphic 45 hardware. And these small pearls that you see featured here are also Graphic 45, and they'll all be available in the material list if you guys want to take a look. So I used a large ephemera journaling card and a smaller ephemera journaling card to feature on the front. Very beautiful. And then here's the side. I like the way that turned out. And then in the back, I featured one of the new laser cut die pack that they have that sort of replaced the tags and pockets. So these are really interesting. The texture's a little bit heavy. It's somewhere between what the tags and pockets felt like and a sticker, but there's no adhesive on the back. But I like them. I'm still trying to figure out how to utilize them in my projects, but I think they're going to be really handy. I added just some burlap colored twine here to just fill out the floral sprays that I've added. Okay, on the inside, I've got this nice deep accordion fold. I'm going to tip it a little so you can see it. There's an accordion fold here, pocket, so that it's nice and expandable. And then inside I've got a couple of cards they can add journaling notes to, and also photos on the inside. So you can put two 4x6 photos plus journaling space on the outside, and it's expandable so you could get a lot inside this pocket. This is one of the stickers I featured here, and I just paperback fussy cut just so it'll pop a little bit more. This is actually from the signature page. On the front, it had these four squares that were sort of inset. So I cut those out and then just matted them to use as a feature here. This is from the 12 by 12 collection pack. This is from Patterns and Solids. 12 by collection pack, 12 by 12 collection pack, Patterns and Solids. Inside, I've got two tags. So I've got these small ephemera journaling cards. One's a bifold, one's a trifold. There you go. And then I've got these two tags. So these are the large tags, which I had to take 1.5 inches off the bottom because this is only 8.5 by 8.5, and these tags are actually quite large. And then I used the Graphic 45 die to mat these. And then you'll see there's two charms that are featured at the top. And if you buy the collection from us, we'll include coordinating charms. And it may or may not be these depending on how supplies last, but they'll definitely coordinate with the collection. I left this blank so you could feature another photo here. This is a magnet closure. And then down here is a small cut apart or a sticker that I just paper back so you've got a little tuck spot. So that is page 1. Got a nice large photo mat. And as you can see, the scale is different. This is from the 8 by 8 collection pack. And so is this blue strip. And then it's just black on the reverse side. So that's page 1. Here we go on page 2. Page 2 is just a simple waterfall feature. This is part of the cut apart on the front signature page of the 12 by 12 collection pack. They had 2 horizontal and 2 vertical, and I used all of them in this album. And this is just a simple waterfall feature. Here we go. Okay, and I just add a couple of stickers here and there just to make it a little interesting. Page 3. This flaps up, and this is a large ephemera card here. This is from the 12 by 12 collection pack. This is from the 12 by 12 collection pack, and then back here is Patterns and Solids. This was a Patterns and Solids, and this is one of those 4 pieces that I said were on the signature page. This is just paperback sticker, and then it opens this way. Another paperback sticker. And then lastly, it opens this way. And this is one of the die cuts. So again, they're really pretty. I think I'm really gonna like them. I've just gotta get kind of used to how to use them. This is from the 8 by 8 collection pack, so it's the smaller print. And then this is Patterns and Solids. Okay. here we go. Again, 8x8 collection pack. It's the smaller scale, and if you look again at the front, you can tell. Here are the two horizontal cut-aparts that came from the signature page. And these both open out. And then you've got this pocket that holds these ephemera cards and journaling cards. So there's room for photos and some journaling. And both of these open up for more photos. There you go. And these are held together by a magnet closure as well. This is from pattern, the 8x8 collection. This is from the 12x12 collection pack, and this is the other horizontal flap that I got from the signature page. Back here you'll see 12x12 patterns and solids. And I did essentially the same thing. So these are two pieces that are covering each one of the flaps. And then I alternated blue and polka dots going across. This is one of the cut-aparts from the, I believe it's from the 8x8 collection pack. Another large ephemera, a paperback sticker, one of the cut-aparts from the signature page, a sticker that's paperbacked. I have to touch it. Actually, that's one of the die cuts. The stickers are a little bit smoother. And this is one of the die cuts up here as well. And I left these items, I think I left it open-ended. Yeah, well, I guess I didn't. That one's completely glued down, but usually I leave it open-ended just in case you want to snug your picture right up in there. This is from the 12x12 collection pack. It's the larger format, larger scale. Okay, this is from the 8x8 collection pack. And it's just black on the back side. And then here we've got a repeat of the design that we had on page 1, where we've got these two ephemera journaling card packs, and then also two of the graphic 45 dies. And I just love this little unicorn charm. And then here we've got a sailboat, which kind of goes with, although it shows a ship, it does have sails. So we'll do our best to coordinate charms while supplies last. These are two of the stickers that have been paperback. That's a sticker as well. This is from the sticker collection, and then this opens up. And these are both from that new die cut pack that replaced the tags and pockets. So I'm really liking these. I think I'm going to, once I get used to them, get a better idea how to feature some of them. I have quite a few left, and they work really well in terms of scale for cards. And then another expanding pocket with more journaling ephemera cards. So lots of storage. You can put lots of memorabilia cards, anything from the event inside here. And then there's the back again. And that is the Dreamland mini album. Thanks everybody for being so patient. It took me a while to get this out, and as you probably heard or will hear in some of my tutorials, kind of got the house torn up. We've got some stuff going on here, so it's been really hard to videotape without all the noise in the background. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this. Everybody have a great day. Thanks for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, please take a moment to subscribe, like, and share. We really appreciate it. And also, if you're new, what I've done at the end of the videos now is I've got this little rolling commentary section that talks about where to find the cut list, the material list, and how to access our playlist for the tutorials of any given project. So take a minute to at least get to the end of one of our videos so that you can see that description, and it'll really save you some time in terms of locating videos in the future. So thanks again for tuning in, everybody. This is Daphne from Scrap and Create. My next mini album coming up is going to be Life is a Journey. So that's what's coming up next. So thanks again, everybody. Have a great day.